I would like to be a post-human. A post-human, an idea present since the late 20th century, has evolved past the limits of their own humanity, allowing them to experience and interact with the world around them in new ways, as seen depicted in many movies.
It is estimated most human beings only use 10% of their brain's capacity. Imagine if we could access 100%. Interesting things begin to happen.
This idea is essentially to move past the limitations of the human body. I believe that in a post-human world, Aristotle's theory of the highest good would command more consideration. In this theory, Aristotle claims that the study of political science is the ruling science. In this study, the aspect that can help someone the most is age and experience. With these two things, humans can decide what is good and just. In society as it is now, we are held back by the constraints of our own mortality. A human's mind physically deteriorates after a certain age, rendering all of their wisdom and experience useless, as they no longer can apply it. With a post-human existence, we will no longer be held back from the pursuit of what is just by our own body. This, of course, comes with theoretical issues of its own. If we, as humans, are no longer constrained by our physical body, our morality will likely change. Kant claims that all morality is subject to corruption, especially so in changing morality. This is shown in Altered Carbon.
Your body is not who you are. You shed it like a snake sheds its skin. Leave it forgotten behind you.
Physical bodies are no longer regarded as important. This could change how our society's laws and punishments currently exist. If humans are no longer connected to their physical body, people could lose or be denied the privilege of existing as punishment. This could easily be abused by a person in a position of power for their own gain. However, I believe that a post-human world would offer more positives than possible negatives, and I would like to see it someday.